Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are 3 questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, a water tank is 3 by 5 full. After removing 24 liters of water, it becomes 1 by 3 full. What is the total capacity of the tank? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. We have to find it what is the total capacity of the tank. Let's see how to solve this problem. The given tank is 3 by 5 of full. After removing 24 liters, it becomes 1 by 3 full. Let's assume the total capacity of the tank is x liters because we don't know the capacity. Initially, the tank has 3 by 5 of x liters of water. After removing 24 liters, it has 1 by 3 of x liters of water. The difference between the initial and final water levels is 24 liter. The equation is 3 by 5 of x minus 1 by 3 of x equals to 24. To solve for x, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. 9x minus 5x divided by 15 equals to 24. 9x minus 5x equals to 4x. 4 by 15 of x equals to 24. 4x equals to 24 multiplied by 15 equals to 360. X equals to 360 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 90 is 360. X equals to 90. So the total capacity of the tank is 90 liters. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, in how many ways can 5 boys and 4 girls be seated in a row so that they sit alternatively? Read the question carefully and understand it. Let's see how to solve this problem. To seat the 5 boys and 4 girls alternatively. Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl and boy. 5 boys and 4 girls. 5 boys can be arranged in 5 factorial. That means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 120 ways. 4 girls can be arranged in 4 factorial. 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 24 ways. Since the boys and girls are seated alternatively, so 120 multiplied by 24 equals to 2880. So there are 2880 ways for the 5 boys and 4 girls to be seated alternatively. The third question is, if today is Feb 25th 2024 Sunday, what day is July 2024? So we have to find which day is the July 2024. Let's see how to solve this problem. First, you have to write how many days are there in each month. In February, 29 days are there, but they given 25th. So 4 days. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 20 days. Total days equals to, we have to add all days, 146. In each week, 7 days are there. 7 divided by 146. 7 2 ja 14. Remainder is 6. They said February 25th is Sunday. So we have to write all days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 25th is Sunday. So leave that Sunday and you have to start from Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6th became Saturday. Saturday is the July 20th and 2024. This is how we have to solve this problem. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.